what should you do if you've got your trademark registered and you find out that somebody else is using it? Well, first, double check that your trademark is still valid. Go on to the Intellectual Property Office register and double check. So each country has their own register. Most of them are online these days. Search for trademark register and then your country's name. Search for the trademark registration, and there will be a status, and usually it will say registered or renewal due, and then it will have a time in the future when a renewal is due. Once you're sure that the trademark is registered, you should also check the ownership details. Do you actually own it? It could be that you registered it initially in the name of a company and that company has been deregistered. Or it could be that you thought it was in your name, but it's not in your name. Anyway, so you check that it's registered, it's still valid, it's in your name. Then the next thing to check is to make sure that what the other person using is using is the same or similar to what you've got registered. And if you're in doubt, speak to a trademark attorney who's got experience with trademark disputes, because they'll be able to tell you if the other person's brand is too similar to what you've got registered. Then you also have to check that what they're using it on is covered by your trademark registration. So it can't be your application. If you've got a trademark application that's not yet registered, you're not going to be able to stop them based on your trademark. You might be able to stop them based on consumer laws or something else, but based on your trademark. And then, so if I have a trademark called Blue Sue for lawnmowers, and you have come up with a clothing range called Blue Sue, I can't stop you because clothing and lawnmowers are very, very different. So sometimes it's easy. You know, your trademark is for clothing, the infringes using it on clothing. Your trademark's for being a business coach, the infringes using your name as a brand name on business coaching services. But if the services differ, then again, it's time to get professional advice and input. But if you're confident that it's the same kind of thing, the same kind of services, the same kind of goods, similar trademark, very similar, confusingly similar, then simply write to the other person and let them know. Say, look, I'm not sure if you were aware, but I actually have a trademark registered for Blue Sue, and what you are doing appears to be an infringing action. Please, can you change your name? And most people will just say yes. Most people will say yes. So now if you're going to write to them, don't say lots of things. Don't include lots of information, and sometimes people try to be nice. You know, I know you might have used this trademark before I got mine registered. Don't say anything. Don't say anything like that. You just want to state the bare facts. I have a trademark registered. Here it is. You're using the same thing. Please, can you stop? And most people will stop. My name is Catherine Warburton. I am the Legal Lioness.